So, you're worried about your gums? Maybe they're a little red, sore, or even receding? First of all, you're not alone. Gum issues are super common, and yes, they can be reversed if you act early. So, let's talk about what you can actually do to help those gums bounce back, reduce sensitivity, and keep gingivitis at bay. Alright, let's clear up one thing. If your gums have already receded, it's tough to make them grow back. The truth is, gum tissue doesn't magically regenerate on its own, but don't lose hope. What you can do is stop further damage, improve your gum health, and minimize sensitivity. Step 1. Perfect your oral hygiene. Brush your teeth twice a day with a soft bristle toothbrush and use gentle circular motions. No harsh scrubbing. Sensitive toothpaste can help ease that zing you feel with hot or cold foods. And floss. Seriously, flossing gets into those tight spots your brush just can't reach, breaking up plaque before it turns into the real villain tartar. Now, mouthwash isn't just a minty bonus. Look for an alcohol-free, antibacterial rinse to reduce bacteria and inflammation. Gingivitis is basically your gums waving a red flag saying, hey, something's not right. If you notice redness, swelling, or easy bleeding, don't ignore it. Vitamin C is your friend here. Citrus fruits, berries, or even a supplement can strengthen those gum tissues. Nutrition matters too. Foods rich in antioxidants, like leafy greens, nopal, and pinole, help your body fight inflammation. And hey, layprove.com is all about those sources. If you're dealing with sensitivity, try avoiding super hot, cold, or acidic foods. And give your gums a break. Don't pick, poke, or chew on things that could make irritation worse. Pro tip, schedule regular dental cleanings, even if everything feels fine. Dental pros can spot early signs of trouble you might miss and give your gums a clean slate. Here's the bottom line. You can't regrow lost gum tissue at home, but you can stop gum recession from getting worse. Focus on gentle, consistent care, eat well, and don't skip those dentist visits. And remember, this isn't medical advice. Every mouth is different and your dentist knows best. This is just one piece in the mosaic of knowledge. 60 Sec University Nonder 173 was brought to you by layprove.com, your source for nopal and pinole. Stay curious, stay healthy, and take care of those gums.